Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting clear data, measure waist and weight, then log them. Once done, begin 20 to 30 minutes of moderate cardio daily, brisk walk, cycling, or light jog to raise calorie burn and prime metabolism. Make sure to cut about 250 to 500 calories per day, not drastically, because steady deficits preserve muscle. Also prioritize protein each meal. It supports muscle and satiety. This kickoff gives you measurable progress and momentum, so you can adjust intensity in the next steps. Now you deepen the work. Add resistance training 3 times per week, focusing on compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, rows to build core and preserve muscle. Aim for 6 to 12 reps per set. Once finished with a session, consume a moderate carb protein meal to refill glycogen and support recovery. Make sure to cycle carbs around training days and keep protein at about 1.6 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Track weight and waist every 2 weeks, then tweak calories if loss stalls. To finish, refine intensity and consistency. Progressively overload strength sessions and introduce 1 to 2 HIIT sessions weekly to elevate fat oxidation. Once adapted, make small calorie adjustments, reduce by 100-200 kcal, or increase training volume. This prevents muscle loss. Make sure to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep and manage stress, because cortisol can hold onto abdominal fat. If progress stalls after 2 to 4 weeks, reevaluate calories, training, and check for medical issues. That troubleshooting tip often fixes stubborn plateaus.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.